Hi, good morning. Paul here, the Spaulding team with Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Let's see what's new on the greater Las Vegas real estate market. New listings. Okay, looks like that one's out of the area, so we'll start at this one. $225 for a house on Hickey Avenue. Okay. Single story. Like it's got new windows or something there. It's just been refurbished. Washer and dryer. That's an interesting high-end faucet. Fairly nice for an old house. Built in 54. 225, where is this guy? Lake Eden Civic Center. Okay. Most expensive one today is on Illusionary Magic Circle. Okay. Looks like they're moving. So here we go, and looks like they're in the process of moving. Illusionary Magic. Jones and Horse. Okay, up in the northwest. Actually, way up in the north, not in the northwest. Okay. $500,000 for a single story. Okay. That's interesting. Let's go into here, Medallion Drive. $98,000 for 806 condo. Okay, I think we looked at this one yesterday. Yeah, I remember it. Okay. Let's see. $1.5 million. Contemporary home. Pool. It's amazing. Flamingo in Town Center. Okay. Alright. So that wasn't too exciting. So we got 687 under contract. Was sold yesterday. Today we have recorded a condo, 90,000, 89,888 to be exact, 928 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, built in 96. Oh, that's not too shabby. Okay. $350,000. Most expensive one recorded today. Oh, it's pretty nice for $350,000. Well, take that back. Buy a brand new house for $350,000. Pretty close at least. Won't look like that, but Victoria Springs, Grand Canyon, Huapa, Hacienda, okay. 2,700 square feet. Here in East Tropicana, 104. Put the seats up. 104, 695 square feet. Okay, let's go into the next one here. Sunglow, 4.1 million closed. Only 20 days on the market. That must be a really nice house. $4.1 million. Wow. I think I saw it. We looked at this one yesterday. Somebody really liked this house. I think it's an old picture or something. Let me see here. Now that's one down the southwest. Okay, great. Now let's take a look at pool homes. What's going on with the pool homes? Last couple of days. Single family pool map 48. Ranging anywhere from 155 to $1,050,000. With an average price of $404,000. 2,256 square feet at $180 a square foot. Well, that is quite interesting. All right, well, I think that's it for today. It's a short one, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.